religion of Islam. So they say that their founder claimed to be the awaited Messiah and the Mehdi. So how people can differentiate between our true Messiah ﷺ and their
did you say Islam in America?
Yeah.
They are much divided among themselves, and sometimes they claim this thing and sometimes that thing, and they cannot offer a single proof which has been spoken of as by Rasulullah as a prophecy, as a forecast, which they can have fulfilled in their favor. What about the eclipse of the sun and the moon, etc., which you know so well? They have not even mentioned such a thing. So how could they be Mahdi? It's all hocus pocus. It's a political movement in the name of Islam, no more than that. They don't know how to say prayers either.